Okay, so today we are going to do Mount Brunswick and Mount Harvey probably. Located in Squamish, Mount Brunswick is the highest peak of North Shore Mountains. Both Brunswick and Harvey feature challenging incline but reward hiker with stunning view. So let's get started. Alright, so I think it's been 35 minutes and we have covered like 2 kilometers and we reach our first intersection. I think this one goes to the Mount Harvey and this one to the Mount Brunswick, and either way you can do counterclockwise or you can do clockwise if you choose to cover both of the mountains. So we will go clockwise and we will do the Mount Brunswick first, and then we will go to the Mount Harvey and we will come this way. So let's go to the Mount Brunswick. The initial 800 meter of elevation offer relatively good trail conditions and are not very steep. As you progress, the terrain becomes denser, though it remains easy to navigate. Okay, I think this is the point where the grind start from the old trail. As you can see, we have covered 832 meter and 5.24 kilometer. We have covered it in 1.5 hours, and the trail become a bit steeper from this point on. We are at around 1.2 kilometer elevation and 6.5 kilometer distance, and you will see a 4-way intersection here, and this way goes to the Mount Harvey, and this one is a straight ahead to Mount Brunswick. The last section of the hike is the most challenging. There is some light scrambling and you may have to use your hand to climb in a few spots. So pick your spots and go careful here. we are almost there, just 50-meter elevation more. The snow is very nice, we don't need a spike. So people who want to come and do this without spike, I think it will be perfectly fine. Alright, well, it took us like 2 hours 50 minutes, and after 1.5 kilometer of elevations and 7 kilometer of distance, we finally are in Brunswick Mountain. This Brunswick Mountain was named after HMS Brunswick, a ship in the British Royal Navy, and the trail can be quite challenging, especially near the summit, where it gets rocky and steep, but from the top you get an unrivaled 360-degree view of Ghost Mountain, Howe and Sound, and even Vancouver on the clear day, as you can see. You can see a lake over there. I don't know what's the name of the lake, but
that one's Brunswick?
Yeah, Brunswick Lake.
I think that's the Deeks Lake.
Deeks Lake. Yeah, so there's almost 3 lakes over there. You can see Harvey Mountain, which is what we are gonna go next. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. After spending some time and enjoying the view, we started our descent from Mount Brunswick toward Mount Harvey. Yeah, after doing the steep scrambling, we are back at the intersection, and instead of going the same way, we are gonna take the pivot and go toward Mount Harvey. So let's go.
Along the way, we came across a hut that can be used for overnight stay in case of an emergency. Before tackling the final and steepest section to Mount Harvey, we discovered a glacier lake. We took a dip and it was incredibly refreshing. After scrambling our way through, we finally reached the summit of Mount Harvey. Mount Harvey is named after Sir Frederick Settle Harvey, a British Army officer and Victoria Cross recipient. The trail is known for its steep ascent, so pace yourself and bring plenty of water. After taking our time to capture some incredible photos and enjoy the fresh breeze, we began our descent toward the parking. Alright, I think we have reached the first intersection. Oh, the first intersection is closer
I think we need to go this way.
We started our hike at 6:30 a.m. and returned to the parking lot at 4 p.m., including the two 40-minute breaks at the top of each summit. Overall, it was a very challenging but memorable hike. In conclusion, the breathtaking view and the sense of accomplishment made every step worth it. Thanks for joining us on this adventure.